I installed a remote starter for 2016 F150 using the ALCA IDATALINK with the T harness plugged directly to the ODB2 plug, which is right here. If you don't use the T harness, you're gonna make two connections from two wire from the module, from the IDATALINK module, two wires, two can wire, can high and can low, to the ODB2 plug right here, pin 19 and 20 for temporary connection to program the module, and then 20 to 23 it's permanent connection after the complete installation. So with the T harness, you don't have to do that. You just plug right into the plug of the car, the ODB2 plug of the car. And here I'm going to program the module. We're going to turn the switch to number 1 position, which is that the step number 2 connection from here. See step 2, pin 19 and 20 of this plug. That's how it is with the T harness. Using the key, turn to on position.
I don't even know. So that's what has me scared, because the one advantage Cleveland has over you is the bullpen and the manager pulling the matchups.
When the module turns red,
tune percentage. Like I'd ever heard of that.
shut the key off.
But it does quantify. Where'd you come up with that?
Shut the key off. And turn the switch to number 2 position, which is right here to step number 3 on the diagram. Connect to pin 22 and 23 on the ODB2 plug. So, and now we can turn the key back on. The light will go green.
Particularly since the addition of Andrew Miller.
And turn off module programming. Now the car ready to run the remote starter.
Incredibly, the Indians have just one.
By pressing the lock 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And the car running. By pressing the brake, the car will shut off. And here's start the car. 1, 2, 3. The heat turn on automatically depend on the temperature outside, hot or cold. So you don't need to turn on the heat before you shut off the car. It will turn on automatically, depending on the temperature outside. You can shut it off by pressing the lock 3 times.